At the end of this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how much YouTube pay me for 1,000 views on YouTube. This 2025 is about to get juicy. So let's check how much YouTube pay. Anyway, hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, It Vibes, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do what, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's dive right into this video. So I'm just going to go ahead and start my screen record so that I don't get to waste your time, because it is well. Anyways, my screen record is all started, and as you guys can see, this video has gotten 1,000 views, 1,029 views. Okay, and if you check the reach of this video has the impression of 13.7, and for 13.7 only 1k people are clicking to watch. I think it is not on the fair side. If you're watching this video, please do want to subscribe, turn on notification bell so that you can come back and watch more. Now, if you can check how viewers found this video through browse features, channel page notification, other YouTube features, and others. And if you can check the external sites or apps, you're going to be seeing Google search, whatsapp.com, and or Telegram Messenger. Now, if you check YouTube search them, Vibe with Sonia, Completors, Adera, Earnings, Tricks. And if you check content suggesting this content, you find out that the first top 3 content are my content and the last 2 are not my content. Now, these are the playlists also featuring this particular video. Now, for engagement, if you click on the engagement, you're going to be getting 48.4k as my watch time. And for my audience, you're going to see that my average viewer duration is 2.50, which is 2 minutes 50 seconds. Is not bad. And if you can see, the key moment was intro, right? Intro dragged it down. Okay. And anyways, let's go to the audience. Now, if you check out the audience of this video has returning viewers of 660, and of which I'm grateful for my people here to always come back to watch my videos. If you check the device that is actually watching this, the device is mobile, computer, tablet, and then TV. If you check the age, you can see 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44, 45 to 54. These are the age category watching. And if you check my gender, you can see that both male and female are watching this video, and I'm grateful for this. Then if you check the country that is watching this video more, we have highest Nigeria, then we have United States, then we have Kenya, and of which is not bad. I love you guys, thank you so much. And if you check the top cited and languages, you can see it here: English, Chinese, Amplify. Oh, this one is actually auto translation because I don't remember my video with Chinese. And then if you check watch time from subscribers, you can see that those ones that are subscribed is higher than those ones that are not subscribed, and of which I'm so grateful for this as well. It simply means that my subscribers are active and they are watching my videos. They are returning to watch my videos. Guys, if you have not subscribed, please do what, subscribe. Now, if we go to the revenue of this video, you will find out that I have made $3.47 for a 1k view video, and of which it is not bad. It is not bad. I don't see anything bad with it. Anyways, how I make my money, you can see watch paid ads and YouTube premium. And if you check video performance, you can see that for my 3.48, my estimated revenue, you can see that every 1k view I get to make $3.37, and of which I'm so grateful. There are channels that are not even making up to $1. Like there's one of my video on my lifestyle that is not even making up to $1. You see, that's why it is good for you to have all of this type of niche, right? It works. How much advertisers pay, you can see $5.14, which is how much advertisers pay in this particular video. And earnings by skippable video ads, display ads, bumper ads, non-skippable, and then unknown. So for a video of 1k view, I've been able to earn $3.47, and if we should calculate, that is about close to 10,000 naira just on one video. Tell me why I would say YouTube is not profitable. Tell me why you will say YouTube is not profitable. just one video getting close to 10,000 naira, having $3.47. And what do you have to tell me? You want to tell me that you are not still convinced that this platform is for you? You want to tell me that you don't still want to create content here and you just want to give up on your channel? You want to tell me that people that are doing all of this and making more than what I'm even making, there are some videos, some persons 1K view, give them up to $10 to even $30. You want to tell me that this is the kind of platform you want to run away from? You don't need to. I will keep telling you this and I'll repeat it on all of my videos, especially when I'm doing videos relating to how much YouTube pay me. My pay will be different from your pay. Your 1K view might pay you more than this. My 1K view can pay me even more than this or less than this, depending on the kind of content you are creating and depending on the kind of engagement that you are having. Anyways, let me know in the comment section, how much has your 1K view on YouTube paid you? I really want to know, and I want you to be honest. Now, do you think that YouTube is profitable? Let me know as well in the comment section. Do you think that YouTube is what you should keep doing? I still want to know in the comment section. And if you're watching these videos, you have not subscribed, do what? Subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. And yes, with no further ado, I do say in my videos. I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.